Hi, Matt Beyer of Matt Beyer Organizing with Organizing To-Dos to Go. One of my subscribers, Christine Williams, writes, I'm a freelance performing artist and I'm constantly juggling different kinds of projects and business around them. I also do my work in various locations, so I love the idea of surveying my current projects in the morning and simply putting doable task Post-its in my day planner to take with me. So I love the shortcuts shorthand. Maybe this can be the topic of a new video? Indeed it can. This comment came from my video, Organizing Paper Action Files Made Easy. It explains why I favor a paper solution for getting your to-dos done. This solution is within the confines of a stationary office space. But what if you are on the go? My solution for making my to-dos to go is as easy as this. Behind my highly visible task collector, I keep what I call a today folder. It's a clear folder, and into that I put today's tasks and schedule in the inside front cover, and there you have instantly a portable but still highly visible to-do list. And you can get this product in the link below. I call this the Today folder because things that go into it today come out today. Besides the task collector, which I remove and return, I can also extract things like receipts that I pick up during the day. This daily circulation keeps the Today folder thin and manageable. But it is just big enough to get noticed, and that's important. Organizing solutions tend to hide everything from view. There are many benefits to this, including a calm work environment, enhanced focus, and of course, a clear work surface. Out of sight, out of mind is the goal, but there is a point where out of mind becomes a liability, not an asset. When you want to make a point of doing something, you need a highly visible reminder, not out of sight, out of mind. Our company mission is to take the less important stuff out of the way so that you can get to the most important stuff. Your list of things you want to make a point of doing is the most important stuff. The same holds true for your to-dos to go. The structure of this folder allows your to-dos to be vertical. The clear cover allows your to-dos to be visible. And the one page limits your to-dos so that they are minimal. 90% of the time when I leave my home office, it's for a fixed time event or two, and I have no plans to take on tasks while in a meeting or driving. But here are some exceptions. Errands, if I want to coordinate a supply pickup with a meeting in the same area. Conferences, maybe there are some tasks to take care of between a packed schedule of events. And long meetings, if I want to squeeze in some calls during intermission. You may have noticed some of the shorthand shortcuts that Christine was asking about. I use C for call, E for email, R for review, W for write, G for research, because it's always Google. A time estimate in the lower right helps me be realistic about how many tasks I can fit in during an hour. If you have a full-time on-site job, then most of your day's commitments will be defined by the job. My system of to-dos and to-dos to go are for those of us who need to work out our own schedules and priorities every day. If you're covering all your priorities with an all-digital system or an all-paper system, great. But if finding the right digital, paper, time management balance makes sense to you, then I hope this has been helpful. For more easy organizing tips, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you around.